Welcome to Smart Preparation MCQ. Today we will cover MCQs and PYQs of NEET on codex. Animals belonging to phylum Chordata are fundamentally characterized by the presence of V structure. Three important features of codex are presence of notochord, dorsal hollow nerve cord, and gill slits. So, here option B is correct. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of codex? Dorsal hollow nerve cord is the characteristic feature of codex. Which of the following is not a coded feature? Paired pharyngeal gill slits, post-anal tail, and closed circulatory system is the coded feature. Open circulatory system is not a coded feature. In codeds, the heart is positioned at ventral side. Match the following correctly. Notochord present only in larval tail is the characteristic feature of urocoded. Notochord present throughout life is the characteristic feature of cephalocoded. And notochord replaced by vertebral column is the feature of vertebrates. So option A is correct. Which of the following is considered a protocoded? Protocodeds includes urocodeds, for example Acidia, Salpa, Dolidium, and cephalocoded, for example Branchiostoma or Amphioxus. So here Branchiostoma is considered a protocoded. All vertebrates are codeds, but all codeds are not vertebrates. This is because codeds includes subphyla, urocodeds, cephalocodeds, and vertebrates. In vertebrates, notochord is replaced by vertebral column, but in other two subphyla, which is also called as protocoded, here notochord is present without vertebral column. Hence, not all codeds are vertebrates. So option B is correct. Protocodeds lay vertebral column. Which of the following examples belongs to urocoded? Acidia, Salpa, and Dolidium. These are the example of urocodeds. In comparison between codeds and non-codeds, which statement is correct? Codeds are characterized by presence of dorsal hollow nerve cord which develops into the central nervous system such as brain and spinal cord, but many non-coders such as arthropods and annelids possesses a ventral solid nerve cord or CNS. Here, option A is correct. Coded dorsal hollow CNS and non-coded ventral solid CNS. Which of the following is a jawless vertebrate? Here, cyclostomata. This belongs to division Agnatha jawless. So, option C is correct. Gnathostomes are classified into two groups. Identify the correct pair. Gnathostomes are jawed vertebrate. These are divided into two groups. One is pisces, which bear fins, and another is tetrapoda, which bear limbs. So, pisces and tetrapoda are the correct group. Here are some previous year questions of NEET. The following are the statements about non-codeds. Pharynx is perforated by gill slits. This is the characteristics of coded. Notochord is absent. This is the feature of non-codeds. Central nervous system is dorsal. This is the features of coded. In most non-codeds, the central nervous system, if present, is ventral. In codeds, it is dorsal. Heart is dorsal if present. This is correct for non-codeds. Post-anal tail is absent. This is correct for non-codeds. In some non-codeds might have a tail-like structure, but a true post-anal tail is absent in non-codeds. So option A is correct. Select the correct statements with reference to codeds. Presence of mid-dorsal, solid and double nerve cord. This is incorrect. Presence of closed circulatory system is the feature of codeds. Presence of paired pharyngeal gill slits. This is also the feature of codeds. Presence of dorsal heart is incorrect. Here, ventral heart is present. Diploblastic pseudocoelomate animals. This is also incorrect. Codeds are diploblastic and coelomate, not pseudocoelomate. So option A is correct. B and C only. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as region. Assertion: all vertebrates are codeds, but all codeds are not vertebrates. Region: notochord is replaced by ventral columns in the adult vertebrates. In the light of above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the option given below. In assertion, subphyla vertebrate comes under codeds. This possesses characteristics of codeds like presence of notochord, dorsal hollow nerve cord, pharyngeal gill slits, post-anal tail at some stage of development, and vertebral column in adult. But other subphyla of codeds like cephalocodeds and urocodeds, here notochord doesn't replaced by vertebral column. So all chordates are not vertebrates. This is correct. In region, notochord is replaced by vertebral column in the adult vertebrates. This is also true state. Therefore, the reason correctly explains the assertion. So option A is correct. Both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Which of the following statements are true for phylum Chordata? In Urochordates, notochord extends from head to tail and it is present throughout the life. This is incorrect. This is the feature of cephalochordates. B. In vertebrata, notochord is present during the embryonic period only. This is correct. And notochord is replaced by vertebral column in adult. Central nervous system is dorsal and hollow. This is also correct. Chordata is divided into three subphyla: Hemichordata, Tunicata, and Cephalochordata. This is incorrect. This chordata is divided into three subphyla. One is vertebrata, not Hemichordata, Tunicata, and Cephalochordata. So here option D is correct. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more MCQs.